We.
You'll never get to the boss. You gotta get through both of us.
Just you two?
What does it matter how many of us there is? You'll never make it to the boss, cause you're gonna die right now.
Oh my god.
Alright, you next? What you mean I'm next? I mean, you about to get what he got. No, I'm not. You about to get what he got. Put your... You're not getting through me. Oh my gosh. Please!
Ha! So you finally managed to find me. Consider me a bit more than impressed. But if you've come to try to kill me, I'll give you a chance to turn around and leave now. You see, I've had dominion over this land for over 2,000 years, due to my overwhelming power. So to approach me alone and in
You snooze, you lose, Idol.